You ready to go?
Yeah, but I feel really bad leaving Oliver behind.
I got this. He likes this movie, right? There you go. You ready? Cat?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh, what were you looking at?
You like this one? Do you want to watch something?
Sure, I'm down for anything. Oh, is he joining us?
Yeah, of course. Do you want some popcorn?
Sure.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, what the?
Bye. Thanks for
Yeah,
coming.
thanks. See ya.